Hey everybody! Okay, so for today's video, I am going to be showing you one of my favorite things that Cashmere has. Now this is the ponytail extension. It is so fun, it's so quick and easy. So I'm going to show you what it is, how it works, and also how to insert it. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is the ponytail extension right here. So as you can see, it's really nice and thick hair, of course, all the way down to the ends, which all of Cashmere's extensions are, which I love. So it just looks like this here. I'll kind of show you guys a little bit of a close-up here. So it's about 3 inches in a width, and then you turn it around and you can see it's just stacked hair there, so which is making it really nice and thick. So a couple reasons that you could use this. One, if you're wanting to just add length to your ponytail, if you've got shorter hair, you could honestly use this even with like super short hair. You could hide it really well if you're wanting like a really nice long ponytail. Another thing that you could use this for, which is what I personally like to use it for, is just the volume. I have like normal to thin hair, so I always love like a big voluptuous ponytail. I think that they're so pretty, so this really helps with that too. So what it is here is you can see it's got the one clip, so this is where you insert it kind of onto the ponytail. So I'll show you guys this as well. So this, you're gonna see a little kind of gap here, and then you've got this hair. Now what this is to wrap it around the ponytail. I love this look, but it's also gonna be hiding the extension, which is really nice. So I've already pre-curled mine here, as you can see, just to kind of match the curls in my hair. Now, like I said, if you've got really short hair, you know, like shoulder length, this will totally cover your ponytail, so you won't have to worry about having it matched. You could just throw it on in and it'll be great. And then also the only additional things that you are going to need to use this ponytail is just a hair tie. I like to use a thicker hair tie just to give this clip kind of something to hang on to. A clear elastic is not going to be ideal for that, just because again, there's not going to be much of a grip to hang on to. So you'll want to use a little bit of a thicker hair tie, and then I also just have one bobby pin, and that's just going to be to you know, secure this piece here that I'm going to be wrapping around the ponytail at the end. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to first put my own hair in a ponytail. First thing that I always like to do when I'm putting my hair into a ponytail is I just take a brush or a comb, and I personally, this is not necessary, but I personally just always like to add in some volume right around my crown. So I just do that by back combing just a little bit in the area that I'm wanting some volume in. And then I'll just come around to the front and do the same thing. And I just, again, this is totally not necessary, but I just like to do this just to give it some added volume and kind of that, you know, bouncy ponytail look. So I just go in real quick. You can also spray some hairspray when you're done with that, but for today I will just leave it as is. All right, so then I'm just gonna take my hair tie, throw my hair up into a ponytail. Now you can use this extension for any, you know, height of ponytail. I typically go for just like the middle of my head for my ponytails. Now you can use this, you know, for a really high ponytail. You can use a low, classy ponytail. It really works for anything. So I will just throw my hair up into a ponytail. So I've got my ponytail in now. What I personally like to do is go ahead and kind of style this ponytail how I want it. And I just mean like pulling out pieces, as you can see, so that it's not so slick to my head. If you're going for like a really sleek, gorgeous ponytail, obviously you'll want to do that. But for this one, I am just gonna be pulling out pieces, framing my face, all those types of things. And you'll just kind of want to get your overall look kind of exactly where you want it before inserting this. Now after you insert it, you can always of course go in and make those changes. I just like to do this before, just because once it's in, it can be a little bit harder to grab that volume out. So basically how this works is I am just going to first insert this black clip here just right in the center of the ponytail. And then when you guys get yours, you'll see that there's a little patch of Velcro on one of the sides. So once you've got it placed in, inserted, you're gonna just wrap it around, and the Velcro will attach to itself, and then we'll go ahead and twist it with a ponytail. So I will show you guys just how easy and quick this is. guys, so there you have it. So one tip that I do have for you guys is when you are putting it in, angle it towards almost like horizontal with your ponytail. If you try to just go straight down with that clip, it's a little bit trickier. So really try to angle it kind of almost like you're stacking it, like you're tucking it into the ponytail that way, if that makes sense. And I think that that'll really help. So once you kind of get it down, you might need to practice a couple times, but once you get it down, it becomes really quick and simple. So I hope that tutorial was helpful for you guys for how to insert the Cashmere ponytail extension. So as you can see, I've just got lots and lots of more length and volume, and it's quick and easy. I'm out the door in 1, 2, 3. So hope you guys have an incredible rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.